Welcome to part 2 of our Rigel 288 Plus series. In the last session, we explored the device's purpose and key features. Now we'll shift our focus to the physical design, the control layout, and interface navigation system. Understanding how to operate the Rigel 288 Plus efficiently is essential for accurate, repeatable testing. We'll cover everything from the button functions and port placements to show you how to move through the menu system and run specific test sequences. By the end of this session, you'll not only know what each button does, but also how to use the interface intuitively during real-world biomedical maintenance and safety verification tasks. Before diving in, let's just briefly recap in part 1 what we've done. So in part 1, we explored the Rigel 288 Plus as a tool designed to ensure electrical safety in medical devices. We looked at its purpose, compliance standards, and how it fits into biomedical workflow. Now, we're moving from what it does to how you use it. This session is about understanding the physical design and operational flow of the Rigel 288 Plus. Think of it as a guided tour. By the end, you should be able to confidently identify each component, understand how it interacts with the interface, and navigate through test menus without hesitation. This knowledge is foundational before learning advanced test procedures in future parts of the series. The front panel of the Rigel 288 Plus is designed for clarity and speed. At the top sits the high-resolution backlit display, the main window into the device's operations. Below the screen is the control pad, which includes directional arrow keys, a central confirm button, and soft keys that correspond to on-screen prompts. The power button turns the unit on and off, while the home key instantly returns you to the main menu regardless of where you are in navigation. This logical layout ensures that even complex test routines can be managed with minimal button presses. Each key is clearly labeled, designed for use even when wearing gloves, a detail that reflects its clinical intent. Turning the Rigel 288 Plus around, the rear and side panels, they reveal the key connection interfaces. These include dedicated test sockets for equipment under tests, patient lead ports, and an earth-bound terminal. The mains connection socket allows for leakage and power-on testing under simulated real-world conditions. A USB port enables data transfer to computers, while Bluetooth support allows wireless pairing with printers and barcode scanners. Each port is labeled and positioned to avoid cable clutter, making setup straightforward. As a general rule, before starting any EST, it's good practice to familiarize yourself with these connection points to ensure proper grounding and accuracy. Button interaction on the Rigel 288 Plus is intuitive once you understand the logic. The arrow keys allows you to move through menu items and parameter lists. The central enter key confirms your selection, acting like an OK button. The escape key returns you to the previous screen, preventing accidental configuration changes. Soft keys located under the display change their function depending on what's shown on screen. For example, they may read run, test, edit, or save depending on your current task. Once you've used it a few times, navigation becomes muscle memory, allowing you to focus on the test rather than the tool itself. The Rigel 288 Plus menu system is organized hierarchically for simplicity. From the home screen, you can access main categories such as electrical safety, leakage tests, and custom sequences. Each section opens into submenus that guide you step by step through setup and execution. A handy favorites menu allows frequently used tests to be saved for quick access, streamlining routine checks. Navigation icons remain consistent throughout the system, helping users recognize functions instantly. The overall flow is designed to reduce the number of inputs needed to perform a full safety test, allowing you to work efficiently without missing any key parameters. The display of the Rigel 288 Plus is more than just a screen. It's an active interface that guides and informs. Icons appear alongside test parameters, reducing the need for excessive tests. Pass and fail results are highlighted visually, often with color-coded indicators or bold on-screen notifications. During testing, progress bars show exactly what stage the device is in, helping you monitor timing and sequence flow. Battery life and connection status and Bluetooth activity are shown continuously at the top of the display, ensuring transparency throughout operation. This combination of visual cues and minimal text keeps testing fast and prevents information overload. Each test on the Rigel 288 Plus follows a clear guided workflow. When you select a test, the analyzer prompts you through the setup, choosing parameters like test, voltage, duration, or connection type. Safety checks are automatically performed before live measurements begin, ensuring the device and user are protected. If you need specific configurations, you can create and store custom profiles, saving time during repetitive maintenance cycles. The device remembers your preferred settings, meaning your workflow becomes more efficient with every use. This process reflects Rigel's philosophy: guided control without limiting expert flexibility. Access control on the Rigel 288 Plus ensures that every test can be traced back to the operator who performed it. Each engineer can have a personal login, maintain accountability within the maintenance team. Password protects sensitive configurations from unauthorized changes. In larger institutions, administrators can assign role-based permissions, allowing some users to perform tests but restricting access to calibration or system settings. Activity logs are stored with each session, creating a digital paper trail for quality assurance and audits. This feature is subtle but critical. It transforms the Rigel 288 Plus from a simpler tester into a controlled instrument within a compliant biomedical system. Efficient use of the Rigel 288 Plus comes down to habit and consistency. Always start from the home screen to maintain orientation. From there, navigate to your required tests using arrow and soft keys. For recurring maintenance, add frequently used sequences to your favorites list. This saves valuable time during rounds. Before pressing run test, verify that your test leads and connections are correct. Once the test completes, it takes a few seconds to review and confirm the on-screen results before saving or printing. These small habits reduce errors, improve data integrity, and help maintain smooth, repeatable operations in the field. To conclude part 2, we've now explored how the Rigel 288 Plus is laid out and how its interface supports smooth operation. You've seen the logic behind its buttons, the clarity of its display, and the importance of familiarity in daily testing. Once this layout becomes second nature, your testing efficiency and confidence both increase dramatically. In part 3, we'll take this foundation further, examining test modes, automated sequences, and live demonstrations of standard procedures. The goal is to help you transition from understanding the tool to mastering it in practice. Remember, every accurate test starts with proper setup and confident navigation, skills you have now in your toolkit.